In this video, you will see how to align right side in Word document like this. There are two methods. In the first method, you just need to select the text and then under the Home tab, you will see here the option of Align Right. Just click on this button and the text will be aligned to the right side. However, if you want to use the keyboard shortcut, you will need to select the text and just press and hold the control key on your keyboard and press R on Windows to align the text right side. For Mac users, you can press and hold the command key and press R to align text at the right side in Word document. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved to your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn more about Microsoft Word quickly. See you again in the next one.